Okay. I'm checking form. Looking good.
Oh my god.
Go B.
Oh my god.
Erica's on point. Go Cal.
Singing to you.
Anything else you think of me or sweating?
This is much more comfortable than the operating room.
Oh my god. Yeah, but it's hard to sing and do this too.
You got B in the shot.
How long?
Say what's up.
What's up?
My hands are sweating. Hey!
Stay in it. Stay in it. 1 minute.
Oh my god.
That's it.
I shouldn't have said nothing.
No, you should not have said a thing! Oh my god.
Yeah, you only say when there's 30 seconds.
Okay. I will.
Oh, coming back to
What's up? Hang in there.
I'm pretty sure my butt's in the air. This is after the super workout.
Yep.
I got nothing left.
Stay in it.
I'm super
30 seconds.
No.
30 seconds. Come on. 20. Come on, Cal. Cheer him up.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
What's up?
I can't breathe.
Oh my god.
What you got? Mo.
What? You gotta hurry up.
4, 3, 2, 1. Done.
Yeah. I can't stay on my forearm.
Who's that handsome guy over there? Oh, yeah. Peace out.